comedian King Kapil Sharma and his wife Ginni Chatrath to hosted their second wedding reception in Mumbai's GW Marriott. The bash was attended by the who's who of Bollywood, from newlyweds Deepika Padukone-Ranveer Singh to Rekha to Anil Kapoor, all made their way to bless the new couple. Also seen attending the reception was newly married Saina Nehwal, who looked gorgeous in an ivory color lehenga. Nehwal, who is busy with the Premier Badminton League, came with husband Parupalli Kashyap.